Hello, my name is Thomas. I'm Avnet Silica Power FAE and I'm here at this year's PCIM in Nuremberg. And this time I wanted to show you this Renesas Evil board. It's a Vienna Bridge 3-level PFC board, which is unidirectional. And you might think, what's the news with unidirectional Vienna Bridge PFCs? This actual board has bidirectional gun switches on board, 3 of them. That's mounted in the middle leg with a gate driver each. And with the technology of Renesas, you can achieve really high efficiencies with this bidirectional gun switch. And it makes it very easy to integrate this topology in this wide bandgap material, because you just need to mount one part that actually consists of 2 internal parts. All the other stuff around that normally is going to happen with 2 components or a module, whatever, is not a discussion point anymore, because you have bidirectional switch in one package. And if you want to learn more about Renesas bidirectional gun technology, please refer to our website. We have material there, or ask some power FAEs in the Avnet Silica organization, or refer to your account manager, and these persons will get you sorted with all information that you desire with this new technology.